Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you like and subscribe and thank you for watching. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you another stitch pattern. Now this stitch pattern here is perfect for baby blankets, baby sweaters, and you can even make baby hats. Now for this sample, I'll be using this medium weight yarn with a 6mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn weight with any hook size. The important thing is the stitch multiple. The stitch multiple to this crochet stitch pattern is multiples of 3 plus 1. So here, to begin, the first thing that we need to do is we need to make a slip knot. Now insert your hook through this slip knot. Here to begin, we're going to make our chains. I'm going to make a total of 21 chains, which is multiples of 3. To make your chains, you're going to wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through that loop. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through. Here is my first multiple. I have 3 chains. Again, I'm going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. That's 6. 1, 2, 3. That's 9. 1, 2, 3. That's 12. 1, 2, 3. That's 15. 1, 2, 3. That's 18. 1, 2, 3. That's 21. Now to these 21 chains, I'm going to add 1 chain. So it's multiples of 3 plus 1. So now I have 22 chains. Now, depending on what you're making, your chain is going to be longer, but the sequence is still the same. Now, this first row that I'm going to do, this is going to be our base. So to begin, on the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, into the second chain, insert your hook and make a single crochet. Into the next chain, insert your hook, grab a loop, and pull through. So single crochet. Into the next, same thing, a single crochet. Like this. So into each one of the chains, you're going to make 1 single crochet. Now, continue like this for this first row, or this base row. I'll meet you at the end to show you what we need to do next. I'm here at the end of this row. This is where we did single crochets. This here is our base row. Now to start our pattern, this is going to be the first row. We're going to chain 2 and turn. Now into the third single crochet, counting from the beginning, 1, 2, 3. Into this third single crochet, make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 1 single crochet into this same stitch. Now skip 1, 2, and into the third single crochet, make 2 double crochets again. Chain 1, single crochet. Skip 2 single crochets and into the third single crochet, make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, single crochet. And this is your repeat sequence. Skip 2 single crochets and into the third, make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, single crochet. I'm going to continue like this to the end of this row. Skip 2 and into the third, same thing. I'm at the end of this row. I have 3 single crochets here at the end. Into the last single crochet, make a half double crochet. And this is how I finished this first row. Now your chain is going to be longer, but the sequence is still the same. Just make sure that you finish exactly how I did here at the end. I just made a half double crochet. Now for the second row, chain 2 and turn. Now this second row to this pattern is what we're going to repeat for the rest of the pattern. this stitch pattern here only consists of one row. So here to begin, we have this shell into the chain space here, make 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then we're going to work a front post single crochet into this first double crochet out of these two. So insert your hook like this, grab a loop, 2 loops on the hook, close. Now we have the next shell into the chain space, make 2 double crochets, chain 1, front post single crochet into the first double crochet. Again, into the next chain space, make 2 double crochets, chain 1, front post single crochet into the first double crochet. Same thing into each one of the chain spaces of each shell. Here's my last shell, 2 double crochets, chain 1, front post single crochet. And that's all we're going to do, and that's how it looks. Absolutely beautiful. Now to finish the second row here at the end, we have 2 chains. Into the second chain here, insert your hook and make a half double crochet. And this is how it looks. Now for the third row, chain 2 and turn. Now we're going to repeat the same thing we did in the second row. Into each one of the chain spaces of each shell, make 2 double crochets, chain 1, front post single crochet, same thing into the next chain space, front post single crochet. Okay, I'm here at the end. We have 2 chains here into the second chain, make a half double crochet. And here's the third row. Now from here on, you're just going to continue and repeat the same thing. So chain 3 and into each chain space, make 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then a front post single crochet. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a couple more rows, and then I'll come back and show you how it looks. Okay, I finished making a couple more rows. This is how it looks. It's absolutely beautiful. This stitch pattern has so much texture. I think it's perfect for baby blankets. Comment below and let me know if you want me to show you a baby blanket using the same stitch pattern. Okay, this was today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.